Stop drinking honey and lemon. You are literally pouring your money down the drain unless you fix these 5 mistakes right now. You do this for your health, but you might be damaging your teeth, spiking your blood sugar, and killing the nutrients before you even take a sip. Here are the top 5 mistakes people actually make. Mistake number 1, the heat. This is the most common error. Honey is a living food full of enzymes. When you pour boiling water directly onto raw honey, you cook it. You destroy the enzymes and beneficial properties, turning it into expensive sugar syrup. Mistake number 2, the source. If your honey is translucent, runny, and comes in a plastic bear, put it back. Commercial honey is often ultra-filtered and pasteurized, removing all the pollen and propolis. You always buy raw, unfiltered honey. Mistake number 3, timing. Drinking this with your breakfast dilutes the effect. It gets lost in the digestion of heavy foods, so that drink it on an empty stomach and wait at least 20 to 30 minutes before eating. Mistake number 4, the acid trap. Lemon is highly acidic. Over time, it can soften your tooth enamel. Never brush your teeth immediately after drinking this. You will brush the enamel away. And finally, mistake number 5, the magic pill mindset. People try it for 3 days, don't see a miracle, and quit. Natural remedies work through accumulation. It takes weeks to lower inflammation and boost immunity. Commit to 30 days. Don't judge the results until the month is over.